Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about India-Japan relations. This topic is related to our GS paper 2. Let's start. Our question is, a strong India-Japan relation is important in Indo-Pacific. We have to discuss it. Our introduction would be, India-Japan have good relations since 1952 in terms of culture, which is Buddhism, social, which is democracy, economic, have common issue of China factor, and both celebrating its 70th anniversary of relations in next year 2022. Both have joint vision 2025 special strategic and global partnership working together for peace and prosperity of the Indo-Pacific region and the world. A joint statement that would serve as a guidepost for the new era of Japan-India relations. Both are members of Quad and want free and open Indo-Pacific and Act East policy. Then bilateral ties and relations between both the countries. In the field of security, there are also various frameworks of security defense dialogues between Japan and India, including 2+2 meeting, annual defense ministerial dialogue, then Coast Guard to Coast Guard dialogue, and commencement of negotiations on the acquisition on cross-serving agreement, which is ACSA in short. Then economic relations. India was the 21st largest trading partner for Japan, and Japan was the 12th largest trading partner for India. Japan was also third largest investor for India. Most recent two leaders welcomed the agreement to conclude a bilateral swap agreement of 75 billion US dollars, the launching of a comprehensive Japan-India digital partnership and other cooperation and initiatives. Economic assistance, loan for the past decade, Delhi Metro, Digital India and Skill India, the most successful examples of Japanese cooperation through the utilization of ODA, which is what is ODA? Official Development Assistance. Japan continues to cooperate in supporting strategic connectivity linking South Asia to Southeast Asia through the synergic between Act East policy and Partnership for Quality Infrastructure, which is Shinkansen system. Then cultural relations. The year 2012 marked the 60th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Japan and India. 2017, the year of Japan-India friendly exchanges. Various cultural events took place both in Japan and India to promote mutual understanding between the two countries under the theme Resurgent Japan, Vibrant India, New Perspective and New Exchanges. Then technological field. Both the countries are working in the field of technology such as 5G, artificial intelligence, space to launch lunar mission by 2024, which is known as LUPEX, then cyber security, crop diversification in Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan rural water supply and flourish mitigation project, then specified skilled workers SCRI, what is it? Supply chain resilient initiative, India, Japan, Australia for the development of Indo-Pacific and development of northeast states of India. Then military field, both conduct joint exercises such as GenMax, Sinhu, Dharmagarjan, PASEX and also participate in Malabar exercise with US. Then issues between both the countries. Japan want India into RCEP, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, to get more access to Indian market, but India decide to leave it. Japan doesn't share his weapon and submarine and their technology and not agree to join cooperation in their development with India. Then both the countries facing China in terms of exponist policy in South China Sea, Indian Ocean and other territorial dispute and string of pearls, mostly for India. Then our way forward would be need to increase cooperation in the field of infrastructure, technology, telecommunication. Then India and Japan need to work together in the Indo-Pacific region in order to obtain mutual benefits. Then with the help of Japan, India can pave its way to permanent membership in UN Security Council. Within the defense platform, Japan could be approached to provide assistance in building warship, weapon and submarines. Also collaborate to tackle pandemic. Our conclusion would be India Japan have good relations, need to strengthen them to tackle China, to establish peace in Indo-Pacific Ocean, also need to cooperate in the other sector like defense, technology and economy for mutual benefits and shared prosperity. These are some other treaties and peace agreements. Treaty of Peace in 1952, Agreement for Air Service 1956, Cultural Agreement 1957, Agreement of Commerce 1958, Convention for the Avoidance of Double Taxation in 1960, Agreement on Cooperation in the Field of Science and Technology 1985, Japan-India Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement 2011, Agreement between the Government of Japan and Government of Republic of India concerning the transfer of defense equipment and technology 2015, Agreement between both the government concerning security measures for the protection of classified military information 2015, Agreement between Japan and India Social Security 2016, Agreement between both the countries for cooperation in the field of peaceful users and of nuclear energy 2017. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.